Hello and welcome to the Daily Self Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj, your guide on this journey of self discovery. And today I'm going to discuss with you a very critical topic when it comes to self love, which is unleashing your inner strength and understanding the power within you. So, what is inner strength and how does it contribute to our self love journey? Inner strength is not just about your physical prowess. Rather, it is about the mental and emotional resilience that empowers us all to face life's challenges with courage and grace. So, how to cultivate resilience in adversity? Well, life is a series of ups and downs, and building inner strength allows us to navigate these fluctuations with resilience. And one very powerful practical strategy which I personally use to cultivate resilience whenever I am facing challenges and trying to turn those challenges into opportunities in my life for my personal and professional growth, I do this every single time. And what is that? Even if you are not sure about what you need to do at that moment, still take action. Go ahead with that same confused mind, without any clarity in your head, still move ahead. Take one small step, then next. And you know what? Once, which was very unclear when you were starting on that path, now once you have reached the next end of it, you know the path very clearly. You did take that action. You get to the result, no matter what result is, right? But it is very important for you to start trying, because these are the situations which are going to lead you to developing your resilience, your inner strength, your strength in believing yourself, your strength in not underestimating the power that is within you. It's there, but it's your responsibility, it's your duty to let it out. And this is one very powerful strategy which I always use. So remember, your ability to bounce back is a proof to the strength within you, if you have ever done that. So how does self-love fuel inner strength, or how does inner strength fuel self-love? When you love and believe in yourself, you tap into a well of strength that helps you overcome obstacles. And similarly, building inner strength nurtures a deep sense of self-love. It is a harmonious cycle that propels you towards personal empowerment. Inner strength is holistic. It encompasses your mind, body, and soul. And so, never ever underestimate the power of inner strength. Move ahead. And I think with this particular one powerful note today, I would like you to step into the beautiful world that is here for you to take that next leap of faith, take that action and get going. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Till next time, stay blessed, stay happy and stay self-loved, and do not forget to share this podcast among your network. Thank you so very much.